Hello friends, I am Dr. Richa Sharma, Assistant Professor in the Department of Electronics and Communication Engineering, Punjab University, Patiala. Today, in this video, I would like to give you the brief introduction about the department and how to visit its website. As you all know, Punjab University Patiala got 64 rank in NIRF and it is NAC accredited with A grade. As these days admissions are going on, so parents are searching for the best institute for their kids. So I am giving you the introduction and telling you the key points and the positive things which are good for the admission in electronics and communication engineering department. So let's start the introduction of the department. First of all, to start the introduction of the department, go to the Punjabi University web page. It's punjabiuniversity.ac.in. You can enter to the department web page through the Punjabi University page, or you can directly go to the EC department by writing ece.punjabiuniversity.ac.in. This is the ECE web page. Here you will get a lot of information related to the admissions and about the department. First of all, I would like to tell you about the information about the admission. Handbook of Information 2020-21 BTech Bachelor of Technology. When the students are searching for the institute and they want to see the details of the seats available, admission criteria, so they need to download the handbook of information. When you click on here, this PDF of handbook of information will open, in which you got the details about the department, what type of courses are offered by the department, and what are the main key features and how many seats are there. I'm not going into the details of information about this. Coming back to the EC web page, then come to this link, click here to download promotional posters of EC department. Here department has launched many promotional posters for the students who are searching for admission in engineering. This promotional posters helps and tells the main features and the positive things the department having. These are the links by which the students and parents can reach to the department through social media. Department is having the Facebook page ECEDPUP. It has a page on Instagram, Twitter, LinkedIn.com. So you can approach the department. You can see the activities of the department through these links also. If I'm talking about the department established Electronics and Communication Engineering was one of the branch started in the year 2003, and in September 2013 Department of Electronics and Communication got its independent identity. Department is having 32 faculty members, out of which 4 professors, 1 associate professor and 27 assistant professors. Coming back to the web page of the department, Here on the right side, you can go for the quick links about department history, thrust areas, courses offered, syllabus, and these are the pictures related to the festivals or the events organized by the students in the department. This is the inaugural ceremony of Crispolatia. This is the students are sitting and standing in the dome building, which is the attraction point of the engineering wing. All are enjoying the Crispolatia festival over here. This is a picture of Star Night. The students performing cultural activities. Department is having many fun activities, cultural activities, fresher parties, farewell parties, and this is a picture when our students are placed in different companies. The department got 100% placement in the last 2 sessions. These are the events organized by the department. This is the picture when the department got the AICT approval. So these are some pictures related to the department. Now the thrust areas, these are the areas in which the professors and the faculty members of the department are working. These are wireless networking, digital signal processing, advanced communication systems, optical communication and networking, embedded and nanotechnology, analog and digital circuits, electronics instrumentation, computer networks, and many others. Department is having the well equipped labs. I'm showing you the pictures of labs. These are the list of labs which the department is having. The lab, digital and signal processing lab, digital system design, digital electronics, optical communication, microwave, analog electronic circuits, measurement science and techniques, analog communication system, digital communication system, basic electrical and electronics engineering, research lab, and many computer labs. These are the photo gallery in which the students are working in different labs. As they are working on the kits, they are enjoying their work on the equipments. These are the some glimpse of the labs when the students are performing their lab work. Then if we are talking about the faculty, we are having the 4 professors and 1 associate professor and 27 assistant professors. If the parents want to visit the profile of any faculty member, they go through to the website. If you click on read more, the details will open. Then the programs offered by the department. This is one of the important thing which I would like to discuss with you. Department offers 2 programs in BTech. One is Electronics and Communication Engineering. It is 4-year duration, and Electronics and Computer Engineering, again the 4-year duration. Then BTech in Electronics and Communication Engineering, 6 years. Then BTech in Electronics and Communication Engineering with lateral entry for diploma holder students. The students will get admission in the 2nd year. The department is having master's program, MTech in Electronics and Communication Engineering, regular 2 years, part-time 3 years. Department offers PhD programs, regular as well as part-time. These I have already discussed with you, the faculty members. These are the pictures and details of the faculty members. These are the lab details, lab. Then